That's the sort of jobs you want as a locksmith. It took longer to take payment from the guy than it did to actually get him in. How we doing, guys? Hope you had a lovely weekend. I'm just on my way to a job in Brighton. A lady has, she's having a flat renovated, and she is moving in soon, so she wants to get a night latch changed. I gave her the options and she's decided to go for a mid-range with an anti-slip ERA night latch, so we're gonna go and get that fitted. So I'll see you there. All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna change this one out. It's, yeah, pretty shot to bits, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. You could probably tighten it up, but the lady wants a bit more security, so we're gonna put an anti-slip night latch on there. Get that swapped over. I think what we're gonna have to do with this is this bead goes around like the inside the glass. Probably gonna have to chop a little bit out of that to accommodate for. Yeah, it's a bit bigger the lock, so we'll have to just chop a little bit of that bead out for that to fit in nice. Now I'm going to have to cut a little bit out of this bead just to allow for that night latch to go on. Right, there we go. So we just chopped out that bit there and that bit there. So hopefully now we'll be able to get this night latch in. Right, so that's the keep fitted. So I'd like to chop out a little bit there. Get some decorators cork down there in a minute. The other two screws. On the drill. Falling out, lovely. Oh, where's that one now? Let's just try this, make sure it's all working okay. Oh, lovely. It's all in line. So a little bit of decorator's cork and this one's done. This is a bit of intermittent strip that was kind of just flapping around, so I'm just going to get a bit of glue and glue that back as well for the customer now that the keep's back on. Right, so that's a little bit of filling done around the keep, just down the back there. So I'm going to do a little bit of filling on the front door. So this is where the old latch was. We put a bit of decorator's cork around there. And a little bit down there just to neaten it all up. Then that's this one done. Right, we are done, we are made good. A little bit of cork around the back there. This flat's actually being done up at the moment, so I'm going to do what I can with the tidying. But this is all working, show you that. Glued back the intermittent strip on the side there. Let's quickly do. Oops. On the outside we put a new wrinkle on there, all done. So all that leaves to do is use this little bad boy. Now you love watching it. There you go, that's that one taken care of. And I've just had a phone call from a guy who is locked out, or he's locked himself out of his house. And but he's not there till 12:30. He's got to go and pick his daughter up, so I'm just going to go and meet him there now. It's in 20 minutes, so yeah, see you there. That's the sort of jobs you want as a locksmith. Nice, easy lockout on a UPVC door. Do you know, it took longer to take payment from the guy than it did to actually get him in. So yeah, I could do those all day, every day. Right, I'm going to head back now. I might go and do a little bit of lock picking. I was going to do some over the Christmas, and I didn't get around to doing anything. So yeah, I might go and do a little bit of picking. Right, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.